Welcome back. Coasting through the week. Every Wednesday, this is a collaboration where we make coasters. I am late to the game today because we're heading into the evening hours. This is video number 2. First one, I was so disgusted I completely scrapped. And I was trying to get things done with polyurethane. They were round coasters, and I was like, no, I chucked it all in the trash. The coasters turned out horrible. Horrible. So I'm trying a different approach. Yeah, we're talking horrible. My little experiment. Nope. Done. And I mixed up way too much polyurethane also, but whatever. I am going to mix the polyurethane directly into the resin, or the mica directly into the resin, and I am using dianca pores. This is solar flare. It's a red, and I am using the dianca pore satin black. You know, Valentine's Day to me, I'm not a Valentine's Day girly. However, I like the goth, romantic stuff. The dark stuff. I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm jaded. But I'm going to start with part A. And I'm using less of the red than I am black. And I'm mixing my colors in part A. I will add the part B when this is all mixed. Now, these little cups, they don't have half marks. And this mold here, I did measure this with water. And this holds 3 ounces. I pulled these keys out for extra molds. I need some keys for upcoming projects. But I'm going to do 40 milliliters. This will give me a little bit over an ounce for the red, and I'm doing 2 ounces of the black. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get these mixed. I think this might actually be a little bit more than that. Let me see here. Let me mix this red. Oh, that is a gorgeous red. But it's going to be muted because of the white. That is about 20 mils. Yeah, pretty close. 20 mils. But I want to get this mica powder mixed up really well. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the black. Then I'll mix the part B's in and mix both of them at the same time. And I'm pouring them both into this mold. I am trying a marbling. So from here, I'm going to put you on a fast forward.
Black gloves, they want stains. Love letters burned in the rain. I poured my trust in borrowed hands. Watched it crack like fragile glass. Every scar left a design. Every break taught me the lines. Now I mix the dark with flame. Call it art, not pain. I don't bleed for roses anymore. I bloom in resin, sealed and sure. Black and red, let it spin.
Time to take this out of the mold. I did that time lapse. There wasn't any kind of change really in the color. The polyurethane held the color. And this mold was elusively missing. But then I moved a set of drawers upstairs that held resin stuff, a lot of molds. It fell behind the drawer set. And I'm like, perfect timing. And when I saw that, I said, okay, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick video. And mentally I'm saying, just as long as it's out before midnight, right? Okay, let's see what we've got on the other side. Oh, wow. That marble. Absolutely. Little bubble right there. That's the only bubble. It's like right there. Right there. But it was getting hot on me and I had to get it poured. But the marbling worked. I did it. I did it. So let me see if there's anything else I want to do with this.
Gold flecks catching what I swore. I won't beg, I won't pretend. I don't need a happy end. What I lost, I cast in mold. What I kept in sharp to gold. Every swirl, a boundary. Every layer, clarity. No thorns left under my skin. Just power poured and sealed within. Black and red, let it spin. Marble veins, let it blend. This heart's not broken, it's reborn. Poured in silence, cured by storms. I don't wait for love to choose. I make my own, I make it true. This coaster holds a heart that's grown. I'm loving me. This heart's my own. Jaded doesn't mean I'm cold. It means I know my worth in bold. No cracks can touch what's finally said. Lost in fire, no regret. Let them watch it harden slow. Let them see the shine I owe. Black and red, sealed tight. Gothic love in candlelight. I survived, I redesigned. Every floor turned crystalline. No savior, no disguise. Just self-love in pigment lines. This heart was born to stand alone. Heavy, healed, and fully whole. Drip it slow, let it cure. This love's permanent and sure. Signed in resin, sealed in stone. Jenn's heart, crafted, claimed.